Hey guys, this is Eat and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, it is gonna be lit because I'll be featuring to you my meter Alexa. I never really got into sneakers until I entered the varsity team in our school, and then slowly I got humanly happy because I was trying out different styles which suited me best and which I find comfortable and which fit my style. Now for the first sneaker, I'll start off muna with the shoes that I use when I'm working out or when I'm playing. So for the first pair of sneakers are the High 3 in burgundy. So the story behind this is my dad and I were at Glorietta, and when I saw a guy wearing the same shoes but in a different color, black. And then I thought that ang ganda ng shoes ko, and then he asked me kung gusto ko yung sapatos, and then I said yes. So after that, we went to Nike to try on the shoes. So habang nagsusukat ako doon, ay nakita ko na may iba pa na color, which is this one. So I requested na i-try ko rin ito. And then sabi ko ina ko, because no same thing na yun, ni-release itong color na to. So the next day, we had PE class. So itinusot ko na shoe, and marami nakapansin, pati na rin yung PE teacher ko, who is a big fan of Kyrie. So natuwa naman ako dahil marami rin nagandahan sa napili ko. So for the next shoe, I have my Mizuno Wave Lightning Z4 in mid cut. So ito na yung last shoe na nabili ko before nagkaroon ng pandemic, and ito na rin nung memorable kasi this was the shoe that I wore nung graduating na ako sa former school ko. So hindi ko na siya nagamit ulit because nga nagkaroon ng pandemic, and we were supposed to have we call it the Boston Olympics, which is an Olympics of all the Boston schools in the Philippines. So hindi ko na siya nagamit because I really love this shoe. Pero siyang support dito sa ankle because usually injury prone na area sa volleyball is the net, especially when blocking or fighting, kasi you have the tendency na matapakan yung kaimit mo or kalaban mo. So with this, additional support sa ankle para iwas sprain. For my next pair is the Air Jordan 31 in bull. So yung that ko talaga yung fan ni Jordan. And I never got into Jordan until late 2018, and before binibilhan nila ako ng mga Jordan, but hindi ko pa gaano na-appreciate until then. So siguro for my first pair of Air Jordan 1, I plan to get the mocha or the color gray one because it's really stylish, and you can basically wear it with anything. You can wear it with casual wear, or you can wear it with a suit, and then minasuot mo na sneaker. It's very versatile. So this one naman I use this when I'm working out, and nagamit ko na nito when himagim ako because it's very lightweight. At nung Air Jordan 31, I saw this first kay Alaya Valdez, but she had the one in high cut and in color black, and then parang white dito. I'll just insert a picture of that here. Now for the next set of sneakers, I'm gonna be sharing with you the sneakers that I use when I'm going out. So for the first pair of sneakers are my Adidas Superstar. I got them in classic white and in all black. Obviously, gamit na siya, and I got this pair when we went vacation in Saudi Arabia. So very amazing that na shoes because yung niya super affordable, and yung super love this pair talaga. And ang dumi na niya, so I need to clean them. Siguro gawa ako ng cleaning my shoes video. And then naman, for the pair, I got them here naman in the Philippines na may Glorieta. All black lang. And ang dumi na rin niya. For another pair of Adidas, these are my Animate in color green. So this was gifted to me by my Nina Haydin last 2015. And itong shoes na to, hindi ko na siya nagagamit because lumaki pa ako. But I'm just going to keep this in my collection because it holds a lot of memories, especially when we travel to Japan. Ito yung ko na shoes doon. And for my last pair of Adidas are the NMD in Firecracker. So this was just recently gifted by my dad and pinadala niya ito through my ninong Bong. Thank you, Dad! And for my next pair of sneakers, and my most favorite are my Gucci Aces. So I got this when I moved up noong grade 10. So ito na yung gift sa akin nila mom and dad. So what I really love about this is the back of it because one is color green and one is color red. And it's just very simple. You can wear it casually or formally. I've used this pair for over 100 times. Kaya na-ROI ko na siya. I use this when pag-casual din sa school, sa mga events, and pag lumalabas kami. Then, for the next pair, I have my Air Force 1. I think ito is probably my most versatile sneaker because it's plain white and yun rin, you can wear it formally and casually, and this is a must-have if you are a collector of sneakers. It's very simple, it's very nice, and it's very lightweight and very affordable din siya. And then for another pair of Nike are my Air Max 90. So ito yung pinaka-colorful ko na sneaker. Yan. It has green, pink, and then white, and then black, and then parang more green here. And what I really love about this sneaker is it is very comfortable. Like, super comfortable niya. I used this when we went to Japan. So, sa Japan kasi, more walking talaga doon. So, hindi naman ako napagod when walking there. And ito, meron siyang konting additional height nyo. Chunky yung roll. And then, for my next pair, I have my white van. Because nagkaroon ng phase na super popular na white van, I wanted my own pair then. And what I really love about this is, super simple lang siya, and it's super comfortable and lightweight. And I haven't used this for a while, kaya I should wear this one again. And the next pair, I have my Converse All-Star in high cut. And all white din siya. Actually, na-notice ko rin na most of my shoes are color white. And di pa naman ako masyadong maalaga sa mga shoes. Ayan, ang dudumi na nila. And then ito, meron pang color transfer dun sa pantalon ko. And nahirapan ako mag-clean dito. So, siguro I'll get this professionally cleaned. And one shoe hair tip that I can give you guys is, binigay na mga ganito, shoe tree, para makita nyo yung form ng shoe nyo pag inihatro nyo siya sa box or sa storage. I got this one from Prep, sa Commonwealth. And then next are my Fila Disruptor 2. So ito, I bought this because ito yung suot ni Jungkook sa Run BTS episode, I think that was episode 71. So nasa Canada sila. And what I really love about this is it's very chunky. And additional height, it's very comfortable. Medyo mabigat na siya because nga may additional chunk of fold. But I use this pretty often. And for another pair of Fila are my Fila RGB Flex Shine sneakers. and this is the one in collaboration with BTS. I have shown this in my previous BTS merch haul. I'll put a link to that down in the description box or somewhere up here. And I haven't got the chance to wear them yet, but hopefully I'll be able to wear them soon. And another pair of sneakers in collaboration with BTS are these Puma certain sneakers. So the story behind this is we were browsing sa Puma na mga items, and then nakita ito ni mom and she wanted it for her. And then I noticed the logo at the back. And I said, nakita niyo sa BTS. Unfortunately, walang size para kay mom. And luckily, meron size for me, and it was the last pair doon sa store, kaya I can say it was built-in for me. And last but not the least are my pair of sneakers from Ted Baker. And Ted Baker is actually a British luxury fashion brand that was founded in 1988 by Ray Kelvin, and it was given to me by Kuya Mark. So for the material of the sneakers, it is actually velvet. Kaya may konting kabigatan siya, and it is 4-tone because on the tongue it is actually color gray, and then color black here on the side, on the body rather, and then the interior is this bluish green, and then a white rubber sole. And this actually comes in an extra pair of laces, which is the same color as the interior of the shoe, which is bluish green. So this is how it looks like on the side. Nakalagay Ted Baker London, and then on the back is just also Ted Baker London. And that is it for today's video, and I am looking forward to having additional sneakers to my collection. And if you guys like this video, please don't forget to click the thumbs up button, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. When it hurts, I feel like